How to set stop loss and take profit in TradingView. Welcome back guys. In today's video I'll show you exactly how to set a stop loss and take profit on this platform. Whether you're backtesting, paper trading or trading live, this feature helps you control risk and lock in profit automatically. So start by opening any chat on TradingView and loading the chart of asset you wish to trade. On the left toolbar, click the long position tool if you're planning a buy, or short position if you're planning a sell. And then click once on the chart where you want to enter the trade. This creates a visual position box with 3 levels: entry, stop loss, and take profit. Now simply drag the bottom red line to set up your stop loss and drag the top green line to set your take profit. As you move them, TradingView automatically shows risk to reward ratio, percentage gain or loss, exact price levels. If you want exact levels, double-click the position box. A setting window appears where you can type specific entry price, stop loss, take profit, position size, and risk percent. If you're using a paper trading or connected broker, just right-click the chart and choose Create Order. Then enter your stop loss and take profit directly in the order form. And that's it. That's how you set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView. This tool is perfect for analyzing trades, measuring risk, and preparing real entry plans. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe and comment what TradingView tutorial you want next.